At some point, you're going to want to round over the corners of whatever you're making, whether it's a coffee table, a top for a stool, or a cutting board. And I guess the most basic way to do it is to take a bottle cap or a coin, the top of a paint can, or whatever kind of radius or corner you want on your workpiece, and put it in the corner, trace it out, and then you could either come along with a jigsaw, cut it off, and then sand it down, or you can take it over to the disc sander and do that, which is what I used to do on just about every time I needed to make a rounded corner. And I thought about picking up the corner radius jigs from, I guess, Rockler, make some sort of woodpeckers, but I thought, why would I spend my money on those when I can buy a 3D printer and print my own? So that's what I did. I made all, I think 10 in all, corner radius router templates for the router table. And of course you need a router table, but you could also just use them to get a little more accurate corner and use these to mark off the rounded portion instead of just using the cap, because I found the cap isn't all that quite accurate. It's hard to get it lined up correctly. But anyway, yeah, I never bought the ones from Rockler. They're like 80 bucks, and I didn't think I would ever need every single radius that they have. So I wanted a 3D printer anyway. I got a good deal, so I bought that, and I figured I'd just print whatever radius I wanted when I needed to use it. So that's what I did. And these things work pretty well. You can download a file on Thingiverse, and I think people have created all different radiuses. There's even corner chamfer templates, and I mean, you just pop it on and use your router at the router table and get rid of that sharp corner. But if you don't have a 3D printer and you don't plan on buying one, I can also print you a copy. There's a link to my Etsy store in the comments, and you can buy 1, 10, or however many you want.